yini izitshomi zamani ba uliyotshisa la njakazi nguziya khohlakele laa nto leya khohlakele laa mntana. Guys, I don't care how draining it is to always pay. Like, I understand it's draining to always be the one paying. I get it. But there's no need to be so mean. What? Soze. Akananhliziyo la mntana sisimani makatshiswe mani. Yho, akazulibeka ezulwini. Shame. Imicondo yakhe asoze ingene phaa ezulwini. Hayi, soze. Yho. I've never been so sure. Ati, please rewrite this paragraph in a readable way. Ebethunani, teacher English. Kodwa yena besithi, did you go job hunting? I was spell.
You want us to play a match?
Yeah, why not? Why not?
What's your name?
What's my name? My name is Khalifa, or shortly for Khoza.
Uthi kuma akwazi ukufunda ngenxa yala document, yabo. Fine. Akwazi ukufumana i-funding ngenxa yala document ngekho. I-funding, yabo. First of all, I'm not comparing myself with him. First of all, I pay for my own funding. School. I pay for my school fees, yabo. So I was like, okay, I will fund you for 5 years. You've worked before, never tried hustling before, and you don't have funding and school and key antidepressants because of what we have started this school about trying. So this is all where it started. Ne? Did you radio? Look for a job that pays. Save money from there. Ne? And start a small business. I'm gonna support you. In. Now I have multiple businesses, not multiple, but then it's more than one. I'm not gonna say my businesses are happening because some of them as called dangerous, but then they're not that much legal. So I live on my own. I pay for my own stuff, like in the independent. Yeah. I was trying to help him to be independent as well. Me. Trying to advise him to take his first step, then I'll be there for him. Because the first step, like finding a job. Fine. In this Taban says, ndithi ngenye imini ndicela ndithumele i-CV yakhe ndifuna ubona i-CV yakhe. So he sends his CV. I did check his CV and I didn't like the CV. I told him that I don't like the CV. Can you please redo the CV? He took about days to redo the CV. I don't understand why would you take about days to do your CV. Download Canva and do your CV. So I didn't want to do it for him because I don't want him to get used to my easy all the time. So I wanted him to see how he can do it, to know how to use Canva. Fine, this is you guys CV, ku submit CV endaweni, and also looking for a job. Yeah. So I wanted him to look for a job so that he can start his own business and save money and also go to school next day so that he can be able to fund himself. So I tried everything I could. I even sent his demo to Andy Ngobe. I even I couldn't guys among guys. Went back to him, that's back with babe. I think you should try and fix plain yabo. First yes, ingxaki yena, he's insecure that akakho level mhlawumbe abantu abandifunayo bakuyo. But then I'm trying to help him to be on that level, but then akafuni. I have a friend that I've been sharing izinto naye ndanditshilo ndanditheni kuwe unam ndandithi unam kuwe into yobana one day izoba ndim orongo ngayo nendlela uKhaliva athetha ngayo. Like Khaliva would say yima tu, like athi khawume yebo. So mna ndiziqhala ngezo nto uthi usathetha nam. I'm not used to that. Like I'm not used to someone who notes bana yima khawume. I'm used to someone who'd say please, thank you, don't yebo. So I raised that concern and we were trying to work on that. And ibekuyinyani ngekhala hayi guys mna ndayeka ukhala mna ngoku ndagqiba usukhala ngoku yena yohlukana nomntu we-5 years ndaxaba ndiphinde ndikhale. Proof bani uhlukene ziyatorho yimani guys. I can't post proof but nizobona kuyi. Now okay, now into eyenzekayo ne so okay, we were trying to fix into ezinjalo ke mna neKhaliva ne, but then I've noticed that mekubana okay khona ustabona ubuthile apha, so noko izawube khona ingxaki yabo. And then okay sazama kanjalo ke yabo. So I told my mom about it. My mom was like, Zia, how old is this guy? No, I told this guy is like same age as me. But mama jumped and I saw this ikwazi usebenza. You can't be with someone who's exactly the same age as you, because you'll find that you're more matured than him. I'm like, okay. But I'm sorry, I didn't want to listen to my mom. And then I can't sit still. I'm carrying a baby that I want to sleep, that I'm trying to put the baby to sleep. So then something happened and I was like, okay, then we agreed on fixing something. I'm not gonna say what is it, because I don't like uthethi weaknesses abantu apha yabo. So we agreed that I'm gonna help him fix this thing ne? But then he was so stubborn, like he wouldn't want to be fixed. So I'm not gonna be with someone who's like this, A, B, C, and D, hoping that he's gonna be like, okay, babe, you know what? This time I'm like really willing to try and change, but then, Ina. But then he was like, I'm being nonchalant, blah blah blah. I'm being nonchalant and all that. And I was like, but then I've been like telling you to stop doing this, babe. Ish. I'm the problem. Ndithi ke mna kubana funny into kubana ndibe problem, yebo. Kodwa kwi-past relationship yam mna zange ndaxabana, yaba. Zange ndaxabana. Like, to be honest with you guys, I was not comparing, ne? I was just being real. Like, I was just being real. Like, I was and I can't even remember nini nalitethile. But zange uyazela lapha la mfana wenemali. La mfana wengenamali la mfana.
I
usually don't speak on people's business or have an opinion ngendaba zabantu. Okay, I'm lying. I usually do, just not on the internet. But I just want to speak on indaba kaZia no Khaliva Khotso. In as much as her delivery was not okay about the whole unemployment situation, Eyaga Khaliva, I can understand where she's coming from, because at the end of the day, as umuntu wakhe, she's the one that had to help him carry the burden of being unemployed. If Khaliva couldn't do certain things because akanamali, ukhalela kuZia. Hey baby, yazi namhlanje ninganasinkwa ngapha nginamali. Hey baby, today I wanted to go to the mall, but because of imali ayikho, or like I wanted to get this t-shirt because like do you understand ukuthi ngizama ukuthini? Maka nganamali yokwenza izinto ezisethen bekatshela umuntu wakhe. And nabo as a couple, I'm sure uZia bekafuna ukuthi bayenze certain things as a couple, but unfortunately they couldn't do those things because obvious imali ayivumi, and ngeke basebenzise imali yomuntu oyi-one, because from what I'm understanding, makakhuluma yena, she has her own businesses and stuff, but imali like ikhona ukondla yena ayi-one. You understand? So I understand ukuthi makathi ufuna ukuthi umuntu wakhe asebenze, not ukuthi bekamcompare no boyfriend of 5 years or njani, but ukujola nomuntu ongasebenzi, guys. Kunzima. Like umjolo ufuna imali, whether we like it or we don't, umjolo ufuna imali. So mina ngithi what y'all can take away from this ukuthi ma ungasebenzi ungajoli, and take it from a person who was unemployed for the longest time. Even now nama anginamali, but I'm just saying ukuthi I know how it is ukuthi ujole ungasebenzi, like usinda umuntu lo ujola naye because uhlala kubalabala, whether uyabona or awuboni. Like sometimes we do things singanotice, like you understand, not realizing ukuthi sisinda abanye abantwana ngenkinga zethu. But uZia ngiyama understand ukuthi uvela kuphi. Anyway, that's my 2 cents.
Everything that happens to you happens for you. Every little thing that happens to you happens for you. You might not understand at that time, but you are being positioned. People come into your life to serve a particular mission, to serve a particular purpose for you, to help you fulfill your purpose. That girl needed to be in that boy's life, to push him, to put pressure on him, to have him in the situation that he's currently in. She played her role. Mission was accomplished. And then she left. People will be brought into your life to teach you something about yourself, to drive you, to push you. You will be in situations that make you feel uncomfortable so that you can change and shift and become a better person. Once the mission has been accomplished, that relationship will then come to an end. Now that we know about him, brands are going to start knocking on his doors. Radio stations are going to start looking for him. He's now going to enter into a new path for himself. It had to end the way that it did to push him into that path.
My quick 2 cents. Clear situation, Gazia, no Khaliva. Uzia, right? Uzathini indoda engaphangeli? Ima before nilwe, ningandeal, just very quickly need to understand my point of view. Awukwazi sena la uhlala nendoda enganamali. Kanjani sweetie? Because kaloku akukho nto nje ezaba fun ukuba ne akwazi. And then le grammar ndiyam understand kancinci because ndinengxaki nam nabantu abangakwazi ubhala. But awuyayibaxa clear full stop ne-comma ne-punctuation as a whole, hayi uyayibaxa. But yeah man, ndiyam understand. And then ndiyam understand noKhaliva, ningayo bethu ndikhona amacala. Yabona uKhaliva, there's nothing ebuhlungu as searching for a job and awufumani because naye akafuni ukungabi nawo umsebenzi. You understand? It's just a matter of at this point, like I know. But he's good because he's thinking better for himself. We are volunteer, which is a good thing. But ke ngoku, survival mode, bethuna finances, make sense. Ukubone ayilwisi. But ke wayibhuda, wamunca ikhala. Don't come for me. Like wamunca imbumo. But to be love. And one thing, son. ukhaliva ka umjongile yile ndoda ifuna nguziya, but ingxaki yile pokotho kakhaliva i-ent. Hayi uthe xa emjonga physically yonke into yeva ethi khwezi yile ndoda uyayiva, but financially no. But don't come for me. Anyways, ukhaliva decided to be a motivational speaker between. You can go to his page, and be motivated by love. Because akayiluzanga hope. Khona sezamfumana uZiya wesibini. Sharp ke stan.
Jolo, when I catch you. Money, when I catch you. Guys, there's a couple which was trending. Beautiful couple. They were trending around me there towards the end. They had posted a video of a guy, Achinotoram Kumana from the bus intercab. Hansi, they've been dating it online. They'd never met. And that was like the first time meeting. It was such a cute couple, guys. When they met and they were sitting, guy was just giving the girl kisses. And there's this particular kiss that he gave her, like the nose kiss. That one. This guy's blew up. They started posting on the 21st of May. Today, they're on 177,000 followers with 3 million likes. Imagine, like they're so beautiful. The girl is beautiful. The guy is beautiful as well. But today we're not even, just the beginning of July. We are still in June. They are no more. They've broken up. Why? Because of punctuation marks. Why? Because of, I think it's money. The guy does not have money. Yes. Kana munu asangachakude. Even your breathing will annoy them. Yes, because the things that the girl complains about, they don't make sense. Miss Kana complains about the guy using commas and full stops in conversations. She complains that the guy did not submit a CV the day before yesterday in the conversation and on the day of the conversation. And she's annoyed by that. She's saying the guy had to see all because he keeps on putting punctuation marks, commas, and full stops in the conversation. All I am saying is when I read, the guy's conversation, he was trying to have like a proper conversation with the girl over her nonchalance. But the girl was just so rude towards him. Musikana chiramba chiti handina phone apa ari kupindura messages handina phone handina chichi. Those complaints that you make when you're no longer interested in somebody, kana munhu asingachakudeka. If that guy had money, if that guy was rich, that girl was not going to complain about the full stops and the commas. But because Khaliva does not work, but Amashanda radio, he works at a radio. I guess he's not rich enough, or maybe perhaps the radio is not paying enough. Guys, I was reading their conversations, the screenshots and stuff. I don't see any problem with Khaliva's writing or typing. But it's kind of actually boy kana. Guys, when somebody no longer wants you, when they're no longer interested in you, even your breathing will annoy them. but I'm happy because those guys, they looked really good together.
Hi Mzansi, welcome to Mkosa Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Usima awufakaza ngendzaba aya Aziya no-Khaliva. uZiya noKhaliva ikhapuli nje lencane lenhle lebeyithandzana laphana ku-TikTok siyibona yahlangana online akani sababona bamitha for the first time. Balabanye babathandza indlela lesimanga bagrowa kakhulu laphana ku-TikTok, but unfortunately their relationship ended in tears ngemva kokuthi uZiya adampe mfana ngokuthi akakhoni ukukhuluma i-English yakhe ayikho clean, nangokuthi yonke into kufuna tibhadalele yena. Uthi ngidendela yonke into, akekho into la ngisetha yona financial, noma beziphumele kuma-dates I had to pay. And people are saying ukuthi girl ufuna kwentela ngibani, and some people are even saying ukuthi nalama-screenshots lawa afake lapha kuma-social media platforms exposing the guy nge-English yakhe lebhetha, kubathi nje hayi uZiya u-heartless, akananhlitiyo. Bayafisa ukuthi ngazuthi the guy angathola umsebenzi, athole ngisho nemuntu leto umthanza am-appreciate. The guy is saying ukuthi uZiya was always comparing him with her ex, hence why their relationship didn't work out. Nalo khuluma lokhu, but we know ukuthi there are three sides to every story. Story saZiya manje, le side la Ziya, le side la Khaliva, and the truth. So people are saying ukuthi they are really heartbroken. Nasemushiyo ukuthi hey uZiya akana mahloni yini lebuhlungu ngokuhlala ubhadala amabhili. But this other thing, Nkosi yami uzawasendela mfana shothi wamsendela text, wasenda back the text ukuthi ngicela ulungise le grammar yaloku lokubhalile lana in a more readable way. He bana guys, asibo belungu. If usibutcharishe English siyayibutcharisa, so what? Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.